Hi everyone, it's Paul Daniels here and welcome to What I Fix Daily. Today I've got a Macbook Air, which is a pretty rare little item around here. I've only ever done one of these before. And we've got a no backlight problem that's been confirmed by turning it on. It does boot, and then what I do is I just put a torch through the back, and after a little while you get to see the blinking folder logo. Obviously I've taken the SSD out before I do any work on it because we don't want to have any stuff ups. First thing I want to look at is the connector. I could see just from afar that there's a bit of a browning sort of look, and if I dig down here we can see that there is indeed some damage. It doesn't appear to be any burning on the connector. There's no charring on there or anything like that. The separation of those two pins, they are the same line, is cause for concern. See how it's... probably should use some tweezers here. See how that's been pushed over there and that's been pushed there. I might need the X-Acto blade. Let's bend that back. And I need to find out what board this is. What is its number? 820 something. We've got a cockroach leg there. Some poor chap has left that there. That's a cockroach leg. Someone went walkabout and didn't quite make it home. I'll be annoyed if the 820... oh look, there's a J tag there. I'm going to leave that there. I'll be annoyed if the 820 board numbering is on the other side. Oh, there we go. 8203437. So if we have a look, we click on the connector and it brings up all our pins. What do we got? Looks like those two there are the ones. What are they? PPHV, SO, Backlight. Oh, that looks like high voltage, state 0, Backlight. I could be wrong though. And if we look at that, it is indeed Backlight driver. Okay, so those two pins were bent. We bent them back. I'll clean up that area a bit. One thing that I was caught off by, and thankfully I was corrected, but these connectors look like they've been gouged out by a wire brush or something, but it is actually factory that does this. So I don't know if the bending of the pins was because of the factory or whether it was to do with the liquid damage. So we'll fix it up here first and see what's going on, and then at least we can measure what's happening. Yeah, it was just a bit of a shock. Didn't expect to see that sort of thing, particularly that it creates a lot of sort of, I suppose you could say, a lot of dross, just metal particulate floating around. That's a little bit too much. So it's picked around. And we don't appear to have a short. Geez, that's precarious. It's connected, but it's precarious. Let's see, pick a ground. See what voltage we're getting. 3 volts. It's not very many volts at all. 8.5 volts. Okay, we're not boosting. Alright, we're not boosting, let's go look for the driver. Okay. USO701. I gotta change the software of mine so that it zooms out more like this rather than completely on it like that when you search. U7701, let me guess, you're on the other side of the board. God damn it. Is one toasty little ball. It's probably gonna stink. It's a good thing we've got the air filter. Well, at least all the pads are still connected. Let's try and get all the cockroach crap off. Well, miracles upon miracles. I actually did not think that I had a donor board for this, but I actually do. I really did not think I had a donor. How's the connector look? That connector looks pretty sexy. If we have no luck with things, we'll just use that connector, but we'll try to get this driver off. Give us everything you got, Scotty. Alright, here we go. This is absolute maximum out of this machine. So I get some heat into the board. I'm hoping this is very much like a TriStar in its ball pattern. Certainly feels TriStar-ish, though I think TriStar is 36 balls, whereas this is 25. Let's play the game of try and match the pitch. No. No. I don't care what you are, but you're a match. I'm trying to use the driest, nastiest pace I can get out of my little container. That's more like it, yes. It's more like it. Yeah, they're uneven. Have to do that again. Yeah, I like those better now. Yeah, it looks like she just dropped into place. 3, 4, 5. Those are pretty good. No backlight. Why? Just gonna see what voltage we've got there. 8.5 volts still.